Just like many of you, I try to eat healthy on Earth and up here in space. And one of the important things trying to eat healthy is to consume a good balance of macronutrients, healthy proteins, healthy fats, and of course your carbs. We have plenty of food up here on space station in the standard ISS menu to put together our meals that way. But when I'm in a hurry, I'm really happy that I have a special supply of ESA food, meals that were prepared for me in Italy that contain in one single pouch a good balance of macro and micronutrients. It's what we call in Italy a piatto unico, accompanied of course by some good Italian extra virgin olive oil. They're inspired by the Mediterranean diet. If you look at your plate, you want to have 50% of veggies and fruit, 25% of healthy proteins, and 25% of non-refined grains. For example, this is a freeze-dried whole grain wheat couscous with vegetables and legumes. It's plant-based, but contains lots of high-value protein, as well as fiber to better manage the glycemic index, and plenty of vegetables for vitamins and antioxidants. This pouch contains a thermostabilized spelt salad with Mediterranean little tunny, dry tomatoes, pine nuts, and asparagus, and it's delicious. The protein source is a bluefish caught until midsummer in Italy, and one that has a short life cycle, so fishing it has a limited impact on the species. And the asparagus, both green and white, comes from small producers who only harvest in peak season and was then hibernated to last through the period of meal development and production. It's such a pleasure to see the great Mediterranean and Italian culinary tradition infused with ever greater attention to health and sustainability. And I'm very grateful to have these amazing, delicious meals with me up here in space.